This garlic bread is truly the best ever. Heat your oven to 425 and prep your baking sheet. In a bowl, add your softened butter, minced garlic, Parmesan cheese, kosher salt, and parsley. Mix the ingredients together until well combined. Cut bread lengthwise and in half to fit your baking sheet. Spread generously with your garlic butter. Arrange the bread on your baking sheet and bake for 10 minutes until the bread is toasty and golden at the edges. Once the bread is done, cut into individual pieces and serve.